Hey everyone, it's Dr. Malcolm, and today we're exploring a big question. Could the moon actually become humanity's first space colony? Now, I get it. Mars sounds exciting. Red landscapes, alien vibes, and it's been in science fiction for decades. But here's the thing, Mars is far, like really far. Let's talk facts. The moon is only 384,000 kilometers away. That's like a neighborhood walk in space terms. And because it's so close, it's way easier to send supplies, fix problems, and bring astronauts home if something goes wrong. But there's more. The moon has water ice, actual frozen water, hidden in craters at the poles. That water can be turned into drinking water, oxygen for breathing, and even rocket fuel. That's huge for long-term survival and launching deeper missions. And guess what? The moon's gravity is just 1/6 of Earth's. That makes it the perfect place to test how humans adapt to lower gravity without going too far from home. NASA already has big plans. Through the Artemis program, they're sending astronauts back to the moon, and this time they're staying longer. The plan includes building a lunar base camp on the moon's surface and a space station called Gateway orbiting the moon. These missions will help us practice long-term living off Earth, kind of like a training ground for future Mars colonies. And it's not just NASA. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other companies are already working on moon landers and missions. We're talking about mining lunar resources, building solar power stations, and maybe even space tourism on the moon in the future. There's a whole lunar economy starting to form. Now let's be real, the moon isn't perfect. There's no atmosphere, which means no protection from radiation. Temperatures go from crazy hot to freezing cold. And lunar dust, it's sharp, sticky, and dangerous for both machines and humans. So yeah, colonizing the moon won't be easy. But with the right technology, it's definitely possible. So, why the moon and not Mars? Because the moon is closer, cheaper, safer to reach, and it already has resources we need to survive. Think of the moon as our space training ground, a place to learn, adapt, and prepare before taking on the bigger challenge, Mars. If you're as excited about space as I am, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more space breakdowns, mission updates, and deep dives with me, Dr. Malcolm. And let me know in the comments below. Would you live on the moon if you had the chance? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep looking up.